All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Friday idioms. So, in the blink of an eye, something sudden, very fast. In the blink of an eye, yes, very fast. I will be there in the blink of an eye. I'm here, yes. I will have it written in the blink of an eye. Yeah, how cool is that? In the blink of an eye, we will have done it all. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, yeah. In the blink of an eye, we will be there. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? They want the answers in the blink of an eye. They want them now. Too soon. That is too soon. In the blink of an eye is too soon. Yeah, I can't know. Too soon. Too soon. Do you think they will be here in the blink of an eye? Well, if they can be here, if they can be here in the blink of an eye, then they will have set a new world record. Yes, in the blink of an eye. Yeah, very fast, sudden. I will have the answer in a blink of an eye. I will have the answer in the blink of an eye. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah, yeah, very nice. So yeah, blink of an eye, something sudden, very fast. In the blink of an eye, we change direction. In the blink of an eye, I knew the answer. In the blink of an eye, I put my hand up. In the blink of an eye, I drove there. In the blink of an eye, we climbed up the mountain. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. In the blink of an eye, the lesson was over. How cool is that? So, can you use the idiom blink of an eye in a sentence, language explorers? Can you comment below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.